126 grams of protein in one cake. This protein banana coffee crumb cake tastes like a satisfying dessert, but is made with wholesome ingredients that actually helps keep you full. Take 3 ripe bananas, peel them, and add them into your bowl. The riper the bananas, the better for this recipe, as it'll mash easier and provide more natural sweetness. Use a fork or a potato masher to mash your bananas into a puree. Take 2 large eggs, crack them open, and add them into your bowl. Add 1 cup of plain non-fat Greek yogurt. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. And finally, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything together, then set the bowl aside for now. Take out another bowl for the dry ingredients now. Add 1.5 cups of oat flour. You can use another type of flour if you prefer. Add half a cup of a vanilla protein powder. Add a teaspoon of espresso powder or instant coffee. You can also use 1 to 2 teaspoons of brewed coffee instead, but be sure to add that to the wet ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. Add half a teaspoon ground nutmeg. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda. And finally, half a teaspoon of salt. Gently mix everything together and try not to overmix it. Grab back your bowl of wet ingredients. Pour your dry mixture into the wet mixture, then fold everything together. Again, try not to overmix it. Take out 1 last bowl, this time for our coffee crumb topping. Add half a cup of oat flour. Add half a cup of crushed walnuts. You can also use your preferred choice of nuts. Add 1 teaspoon of espresso powder or instant coffee. Add 4 tablespoons of a natural sugar sweetener. I'm using stevia here, but you can also use coconut sugar. Add a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Mix everything together. Then finally, add 4 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. You can also use melted butter or a neutral oil like avocado oil instead. Mix everything together until you have a wet crumb mixture. Preheat your oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Take out an 8" by 8" baking dish and line it with some parchment paper. Give it a light spray of oil. Pour your banana mixture into the dish and then even out the top. Then add the coffee crumb mixture on top of it. Bake it on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 45 minutes. I baked mine for about 45 minutes. Once yours is done baking, check up on it and then remove it from the oven. Let it cool for about 30 minutes to give it some time to set up. Then cut it into however many slices you want to serve. I'm going with 9 slices for mine. Then you're ready to enjoy your protein banana coffee crumb cake. Store this in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 4 days. You can reheat a slice briefly in the microwave for that fresh out of the oven feel. If you like this video, be sure to check out my other high protein breakfast recipes. And if you found this recipe helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more healthy recipes every week.